Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice exponential problem, and here we have 9 to the power of x minus 6 to the power of x is equal to 4 to the power of x, and we will solve this problem for the value of x. So the very first thing we are going to do is here I will divide each side by 4 to the power of x, so that this expression will becomes 9 to the power of x over 4 to the power of x minus 6 to the power of x over 4 to the power of x is equal to 4 to the power of x over 4 to the power of x. So here I can apply the exponential law, and according to this exponential law I will just make these coefficient in common form. So if we have a over b to the power of m, so it is equals to a to the power of m over b to the power of m. So if we have bases different and its exponents are same, so we can combine this exponent in this form, so that here we combine its exponent and it will become 9 over 4 to the power of x minus, here we have 6 over 4 to the power of x is equal to, here these two are gone and here we get only 1. So after that I can rewrite this term as, here you have 9 and we will write it as 3 square, and we can write this 4 as 2 square and its whole power x minus, these are cancelled out by the table of 2, so here we have 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4, so here you get 3 over 2 to the power of x is equal to 1. And after that I will again combine this exponent, and I can write it as 3 over 2 and its whole power 2 and its whole power x minus 3 over 2 to the power of x is equal to 1. After that I will again apply the nice exponential law, and you know that if we have a over b to the power of m, or if we have a to the power of m to the power of n, if you can interchange these exponents, it will become a to the power of n to the power of m. If you can interchange these exponents, so it will becomes the same answer, and which is a to the power of m times of n. So that here I can interchange these two exponents, because if you can interchange the exponent, it does not affect its answer, and we will write it as 3 over 2 to the power of x and its whole square minus 3 over 2 to the power of x is equal to 1. And after that I will rewrite this expression as, because here I can change this exponential equation into the quadratic form, so that here I can substitute y is equal to 3 over 2 and its whole power x. So when you can substitute y is equal to this one, so this equation will becomes y square minus y is equal to 1. And after that I will solve this quadratic equation by making its factors, or by using the quadratic formula. And here you have a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, and c is equal to minus 1, because here when we take this minus 1 in the right and left hand side, we will get y square minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. So after that I can apply here quadratic formula, and which is minus b plus minus b square minus 4 times of ac square root over 2 times of a. And now we put all the values of a, b and c here, and when you put the value of b, which is -1 here, so minus minus become +1, and plus minus here you have b square, which is the square of -1 is +1, and the value of a is 1 and the value of c is -1, so this minus minus plus, and it will become +4/2. And finally we get 1 plus minus square root 5/2. And here we substitute y is equal to 3/2 to the power of x, so we can back substitute this value, and here you get 3/2 to the power of x is equals to, here I can separate these terms, and we get 1 plus square root 5/2, and its other case is 3/2 to the power of x is equal to 1 minus square root 5/2. So that here I can just neglect this case, because here the right hand side will become negative and its left hand side is positive. So because exponential function cannot gives us the negative value, so this expression cannot be possible, so that we will just rejected this case, and here we just proceed this case only. So that here you have 3/2 is equal to 1.5 to the power of x, and when you can solve this expression by using the calculator, so you will get here 1.6180. After that we will take the log on both of the sides, so that it will becomes log of 1.5 to the power of x is equal to log of 1.6180. and here we can apply the property of log, and which is x times of log 1.5 is equal to, here you can solve or you can find the value of this log by using the calculator, and it will become 0.2089, and the value of log 1.5 is 0.1760 is equal to 0.2089. and here you just move this term in the right hand side, and here you can get x is equal to 0.2089 over 0.1760. So after dividing these two terms, we will get here x is equal to 1.18 and 69. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more exciting videos.